Now, let's find the HCF of 24 and 36 using product of prime factors. Now, this is a different method. Now, be aware that teachers sometimes do not ask for some specific methods. But if you're asked, like in this question, to use this method, this is how you would do it. Solution. The first thing you want to do is to write out 24 as a product of its prime factor. Write 24 as a product of its prime factors. And now let's go. In 24, 2 will go 12 times. 2 will go in 12 6 times. 2 will go in 6 3 times. And 3 in 3 once. Making 24 to be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now we have expressed 24 as a product of its prime factors. Now let's express 36 as a product of its prime factors. So step 2, write 36 as a product of its prime factors. So 36. 2 will go in 36 18 times. 2 will go in 18 9 times. 3 in 9 3 times. And 3 in 3 once. That is 36 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now that we have written it out as product of their prime factors, let's put them side by side and then compare. So we have 24 to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And then 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now, when you look at this side by side, it's easy to see that what they have in common, we have 2, 2, and then 3. So what they have in common is, that is, our HCF is 2, which appears twice, multiplied by 3. So our HCF becomes 2 raised to the power 2 is 4 multiplied by 3, which would give us 12. That is our HCF of 24 and 36 equals 12. Thank you.